Changes that happen to woman's body throughout menopause are not benign. They are not to be dismissed. They are not just mere inconvenience. I am a clinical pharmacist. I've been with FHT for the last 14 years almost. For the last 23 years, I've been credentialed as menopause practitioner. So I have been doing lots of education of my peers and patients about menopause. Some of the symptoms can lead to serious complications with mental health, even lead to suicidal ideation, presence of vasomotor symptoms such as hot flashes and night sweats, which women often just put up with because that's what they've taught to be tough, to persevere and just ignore it. Those symptoms can be independent risk factors for cardiovascular events, heart attack and stroke. Losing estrogen and changes in hormones in menopause can lead to osteoporosis. Then, if it's not identified, along with the muscle mass, strength and loss, they lose balance, they fall, they break bones easier. They end up with hip fractures, which then they might not recover fully and properly, and they die sooner than they would have if they had proper treatment. Symptoms can start on average at mid-30s and then get worse in 40s to the age of menopause, which is 51 in Canada. All people born with ovaries will go through this ovarian decline, which means hormones change, and we call it menopause. If something is common, it doesn't mean it's normal. And I cringe when people say, oh, it's just normal. No, so it's common and it has to be addressed. That's my message. Do not suffer in silence. It's not embarrassing to talk about it, and we need to seek help.